Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make simple miso soup, updated. Start by gently simmering 4 cups dashi or water with kombu, removing kombu before boiling, then add sliced scallions and rehydrated wakame. Turn off heat and whisk in 2 to 3 tablespoons miso paste to preserve probiotics, avoiding boiling after miso joins. Serve immediately in warmed bowls and garnish with tofu cubes and extra scallions for color and texture. We'll list essentials and show prep so you can make this soup quickly. Use 4 cups dashi or water, 2 to 3 tablespoons miso, 1 cup cubed soft tofu, 2 tablespoons dried wakame rehydrated, and 2 scallions sliced. Have a small ladle, a fine mesh strainer, and a tasting spoon ready. Prepare tofu and wakame while dashi heats so you can finish soup in minutes and keep miso's flavor bright. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: check out the book The Simple Path to Wealth for practical money thinking that pairs oddly well with meal planning and saving. I saw it and laughed at how useful it felt for frugal cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat dashi gently and never boil after adding miso to maintain flavor and probiotics. Dissolve miso in a small bowl with hot broth, then stir into the pot, tasting for balance of salt and umami. Adjust with more dashi or miso by teaspoon increments. Briefly warm tofu and scallions in the broth, serve immediately, and remind guests that reheating repeatedly can weaken miso's subtle qualities and texture. Experiment with different miso types to find your favorite depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.